Hey there guys, welcome to another amazing video. This time it's time for the tech buffs out there. Time and time again, Apple has proved itself to be a global leader when it comes to innovative gadgets and putting whole new product lines successfully on the market. From PCs and mobiles to iPods and iPads, the current Apple trend is the Apple Watch. But what does Apple have in store down the line that will revolutionize the world yet again? Let's find out. Apple Glass. Well, it's not the name of a brand new iPhone series, but a pair of wearable headsets that will allow users to experience augmented reality or AR on their smart glasses, rather than their smartphone or tab. Sounds like a futuristic scene right out of the Jetsons or some sci-fi thriller, doesn't it? That's absolutely the aim. Let's retrace our steps a bit. What's the difference between AR and VR, virtual reality? VR immerses the user in a completely simulated environment, shutting off the physical world, whereas AR lets the user experience the actual world with some enhancements. Think of it as a Pokemon Go game, through your own eyes. So cool, doesn't it? What does the hardware of Apple Glass have in store for us? From Microsoft's HoloLens to 2014 Google Glass, we saw smart glasses that were, to be quite frank, bulky, as the thing required for a successful AR experience had to be housed in the frame. This certainly did not make it ideal for a simple walk outside. How does Apple intend to address this issue? The Apple Glass will look and feel just like an ordinary pair of Ray-Ban glasses. Wait, what? How are they pulling all of this? Rumor has it that Apple is trying to translate what they did with the Apple Watch and get the glasses to wirelessly connect with an iPhone to offload the computation. This simple move will reduce a ton of weight and make the glasses super comfortable to wear. Another interesting leak that has surfaced is that the glasses will not have any cameras, so there will be no recording feature available. Then how does it even function? The answer lies in the iPad Pro 2020 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Any idea what this may be? The LiDAR scanner, of course. The scanners can effectively map an environment and detect objects and get virtual information regarding them, such as distance. Yup, this technology exists. It just may not be absolutely perfect, but it's getting there. As for the recording part, it's a lesson learned from Google Glasses that people don't enjoy it. How exciting! Instead of interacting with a screen, we can directly interact with software in the real world. It seems that we're not that far away from a time when we can change the color of cars just by using our phones. Talking about cars, Apple also has some plans up its sleeves for the automobile sector. What could that be? Keep watching to find out. Coming back to the Apple Glass, it is set to feature an 8K display for each lens. While this will give a seamless, smooth and ultra-clear display, it is hard not to raise the question of whether the iPhone will be able to bear the brunt of processing so much data wirelessly without hiccups. Guess we'll just have to wait till its release in 2022. What will the Apple Glass software entail? When it comes to user experience, Apple tops the list with attention to detail. A few leaks state that the Apple Glass may come with virtual touch or voice recognition. Imagine being able to drag objects and change their size in virtual space. Sounds so futuristic and intuitive, right? If virtual touch is implemented, it's hands down a big selling point, but who wouldn't love to interact with virtual objects? Coming to voice features, picture this: have a shopping list but don't want to carry it around. Just ask Siri to pull it up on your Apple Glass and pin it to a screen. How cool is that? Well, of course, there is a possibility that the interaction will be limited to iPhone or other Apple gadgets, for the first generation at least. Whatever it is, sounds thrilling. As for the user interface, you can close your eyes and trust Apple. No one likes a cluttered line of vision or ridiculous graphics that don't sync well. For the Apple Glass, we can expect a minimal, clean interface that is complemented by the 8K display. And how much will the Apple Glass cost? With all these futuristic features, you may have guessed a number in the thousands. But guess what? It's rumored to cost about $499. Quite decent for a brand new Apple product, we must say. Before we head on to the next big Apple product, we've mentioned something about this a while back. Let us know your views about what the Apple Glass should include in the comment section. Apple Car. Yeah, you heard that right. The Apple Car. In the next 3 to 6 years, you can expect a self-driving Apple Car to hit the streets. In 2014, Apple decided to take its innovation up a notch, or should we just say a multiple notches? Around 1,000 employees started working on Project Titan, an electric car project at a top-secret location. Bet you didn't know that. Being dubbed as Apple's next star product, the self-driving car will let a user input the destination location and will be driven there with little or no engagement. Forget hailing a cab, just get on board this vehicle. It is said that Apple may work with a manufacturing partner to produce the cars, while the team works on an innovative battery that increases efficiency and extends the range. Rumors say that Apple could sign a deal with Hyundai Kia by March this year, but it might take longer. What's about the battery? Apple is creating a mono-cell battery that frees up space in the battery pack by eliminating pouches and modules that hold battery materials. This will radically reduce the cost of vehicle batteries, as stated by Tim Cook. It'll be like the first time we got our hands on the iPhone. The Apple Car will probably be marketed as a high-end vehicle and will offer a seamless and better integration of services, hardware and software as compared to your run-of-the-mill electric car. Looks like Elon Musk has got some competition. Of course, Apple is aiming to stand out of the crowd with a revolutionary design that will feature autonomous driving software that will be developed in-house. The deep integration with iOS and possibly lighter sensors will definitely give the car an edge. But won't lighter sensors make the car bulky? Considering the self-driving technology, well, Apple is in talks with several sensor suppliers who produce more cost-effective, lighter and smaller sensors that can be mass-produced at a faster rate. Looks like the future of autonomous vehicle is here, and Apple has the key to start it all. What if they lose this key? Well, they can just use the AirTag, a product coming up next in this video. Now, let's talk about the actual car model. The initial vehicle chassis could be modeled according to the eGPM electric vehicle, or BEV by Hyundai. This includes 2 motors, a rear 5-link suspension, and an integrated axle drive. The battery can achieve 80% charge in less than 20 minutes through high-speed charging. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3.5 seconds. How cool is that? It may also be equipped with silent motorized doors, AR displays, and car interior sans driving wheel and gas pedals. This was the original conceptualization before former executive Bob Mansfield took over and came up with an autonomous driving plan. But is Apple actually going ahead with this, or is it just an advertising stunt? In 2015, a mysterious van with a camera rig attached was spotted driving around Northern California. Guess what? It was leased by Apple. Initially, it was speculated that the tech giant was developing its version of Google Street View. But a tantalizing hint was soon revealed by an anonymous employee that confirmed the self-driving car speculation. After that, it was no longer a well-kept secret. After leadership changes, plan changes, and internal strife, the company finally got a self-driving permit from the California DMV. Looks like it wasn't shelved after all. Can't wait for this futuristic car, can you? AirTag. Lost your keys? Misplaced your wallet? Well, say goodbye to these worries because Apple AirTag is here to save the day. This style-sized Bluetooth tracking device will feature an embedded tracking chip that will connect to your iPhone through an app. Here's how the device works. When you lose an item with an AirTag on it, you'll be sent a notification on your phone, following which you can tap an option that will make the device chime and hence locate it. Sounds easy, right? But what happens when the lost object is out of the Bluetooth range? You can put it in the lost mode from the app. If another iPhone user comes across the listed item, they can contact you through your profile information. But wait, there's more. The gadget may feature an ultra-wideband chip, like the latest iPhones, and also an AR toolkit that enhances your finding experience by providing measurement functions. Wow! AirTag may also have a removable coin battery, just like a watch. The circular device may cost around $25 to $35 based on competitors such as Style. It is expected to be released within this year, so mark your calendars. Pale. Follow Alto to Infinite Loop. Along with its Apple Car, the company is also working on a self-drive shuttle service labeled as Pale. The purpose? Well, initially the service will be used to transport Apple employees to and from Apple's Silicon Valley office. Want to be employed at Apple now, don't we? For this program, Apple is working with Volkswagen and will be installing the self-driving software in the company's T6 transporter vans, which will be refurbished as a dedicated shuttle service for Apple. In 2019, Apple bought Drive.ai, a startup focused on self-driving shuttle services. This will aid the company with the logistics of its self-driving project. Looks like one way or the other, we'll be getting a self-driving vehicle from Apple soon. Apple has so much to offer than just phones, tabs, and PCs, and it'll be great to see these revolutionary products launch successfully. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notification on our posts. Bye-bye.